The world is quiet. The kind of quiet that only exists when most of it is still asleep. Your alarm cuts through the silence, soft at first, then insistent. You blink slowly, disoriented, before remembering why you set it in the first place. The air is cold. Not just chilly, mountain cold. Your breath puffs in front of you as you slip into your layered clothes, headlamp strapped on, boots laced tight. The scent of pine and earth greets you as you step outside, stars still scattered across the sky. The trail ahead is shadowed, mysterious, lit only by moonlight and the narrow beam of your light. Each step crunches softly underfoot. Your body protests at first, but your mind is awake now, aware, buzzing. Then it happens. A faint glow creeps over the ridge. Blues turn to oranges, purples fade into gold. The sky opens up like a secret unfolding, and the sun, quiet, steady, rises. You're standing above the clouds, breathless not just from the hike, but from the view. It was worth it. Every minute of sleep lost. Every early step in the dark. Would you like a photo reference or a mood board to match this? We have an important update that we'd like to share with you today. Your hard work is truly appreciated. This update highlights our commitment to growth and improvement. Firstly, we're pleased to introduce new wellness programs to support employee well-being. Secondly, we're launching a professional development initiative for skill enhancement. Lastly, we're implementing flexible work arrangements to promote work-life balance. Please check your emails for detailed information. Join the upcoming webinars for more insights. Gather your feedback, as it's valuable to us. In summary, we're investing in your health, skills, and work-life balance. Let's continue to uphold our values of innovation, teamwork, and respect. Thank you for being part of our journey.